Hello, and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation, a weekly podcast from Mindful and Mindful.org that offers mindfulness meditations that are backed by neuroscience. You may know that the latest scientific research is showing that 12 minutes of meditation a day can be enough to yield benefits like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. So on this podcast, we invite you to practice for 12 minutes using guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. With a new practice each week, 12-Minute Meditation offers you an easy way to bring the benefits of mindfulness into your daily life. I'm Stephanie Domet. I'm the managing editor at Mindful and Mindful.org, and this week, Rashid Hughes leads us in a practice to rest the body in gratitude. Rashid is a writer, meditation teacher, yoga instructor, a restorative justice facilitator, and the creator of the REST practice. He's also co-founder of the Heart Refuge Mindfulness Community, a community in Washington, D.C. dedicated to inspiring Black, Indigenous, and people of color to live with love and courage. This guided awareness practice will allow us to feel a sense of gratitude for our body in all of its beauty and mystery. Taking a moment to pause with the intention to simply allow our bodies to rest in awareness can bring about a great sense of restoration and renewal to the heart. Our bodies are so overworked and often ignored. This practice is part of our month devoted to gratitude. Our first ever gratitude journal will be on newsstands soon. We're available directly from mindful.org. You can subscribe to 12-Minute Meditation there too, or do that wherever you find your favorite podcasts, and maybe leave us a review if you like. That might help other listeners decide whether 12-Minute Meditation is for them. For now, for you, here's Rashid Hughes.
Peace, everybody. I'm Rashid Hughes. And today I'll be guiding you through a meditation centered on the body, cultivating gratitude with and for the body. Taking a moment to pause with the intention to simply allow our bodies to rest in awareness can bring about a great sense of restoration and renewal to the heart. Knowing that our bodies are so overworked and often ignored, it's my hope that this guided awareness practice of the body will allow us to feel a sense of gratitude for our bodies in all of its beauty and mystery. So to begin our practice together today, by just finding a posture that feels comfortable for you in this moment. There are many different postures that we can choose from to practice in. One of my favorite postures is to lie down, but some of us may like to sit up on a cushion, in a chair, on a couch. Standing is also an option. Most importantly, really just checking in with your body in this moment to sense into what posture is best for me right now. And once you've found that posture, just begin to notice and feel your body here and present in this moment. Feeling the experience of your body as it is, not trying to fix anything or to change anything about the body. Just allowing the body to be completely natural. Oftentimes the body can be used just for the purpose of working, striving, and achieving. But in this moment, we're inviting our bodies to rest. Just rest natural. And as the body is resting naturally in the posture of your choice, taking a few moments to just feel what it means to be alive in your body right now. And that may be different for everyone, but just with a light attention, resting lightly on the body. Just notice, how is my body expressing its aliveness in this moment? Maybe that's with lots of sensations. Maybe the body just feels relaxed and at ease. Or maybe there's energy moving through some of our bodies in this moment. Whatever's true for your body right now, allow this aliveness of the body to be what you sense into in this moment. This is my body, and I am grateful for my body. And now allowing your attention to lightly rest on the sensations associated with the body touching whatever is under your body, whatever is supporting your body. So maybe it's the floor, or there's a cushion under your body. Maybe it's even a bed or a couch. Allowing your attention to lightly rest, feeling the aliveness of the body touching and being supported by whatever is under you. And this is my body resting, supported by what's under me in this moment. And I am grateful for this body and for this support and this moment to rest. Resting just like a newborn rests in the arms of a parent or a caregiver. Allow your body to rest on whatever is under you. Letting the support and the stability and the comfort of having something holding you, letting that really infuse your body and your awareness in this moment. In this moment, I'm being held and supported. And this support is stable and unconditional. And I am grateful. And continuing to feel the connection and the support of whatever is holding you in this moment. Remaining connected to that experience. And we're also going to begin to invite our bodies to begin to rest in the feeling of the space around the body. So in this, we're really just allowing our attention to rest on the skin of the body, feeling the skin of the body. And with each exhale, let your attention begin to relax and to expand out beyond the skin of your body. Just going out a few inches around the skin. resting in the space around the skin of the body. So there's a light awareness of the whole body and beginning to sense into the space around the body. And rather than focusing entirely on the physicality of the body, now we're inviting the energy in the body, the tingling, the sensations of the body to actually rest in the space around us. So you might use your imagination a little bit to imagine that with every exhalation, you begin to sense your body being held by the vastness of the space surrounding the body. And it may be helpful to start with your back and inviting the back to rest, just kind of like let go into the space behind. And shifting to one of the sides of the body. Feeling that side of the body, feeling the skin. And then inviting that side of the body to just let go, to relax to the space around that side of the body. And then going to the front of the body, feeling the skin of the body and any sensations, any aliveness, and just allowing the front side of the body to be held and to rest into the space in front of the body. And lastly, arriving at the other side of the body, sensing the skin of the body, and then letting your attention relax into the space around that side of the body. And just for a few moments, as you're breathing in naturally and breathing out naturally, allowing your attention to rest as the body is resting in the space around the body. The body can let go now. Breathing in, feeling the body held in our awareness. Breathing out, we're grateful for the space around the body that allows the body to relax. And as we bring this practice to a close, the invitation is for you to maybe place a hand on your heart, feeling a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the body, the space around the body, and this moment of resting. And remember that gratitude for the body is a way that we can always reconnect with a sense of rest, presence, and ease.
Thank you for listening to this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful and Mindful.org. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us. We'll be back in 7 days with another meditation practice for you.